Do you want to export videos that use CapCut Pro effects and transitions? Well, in this video, I will be showing you how to export videos that use CapCut Pro for free. This is my first tutorial, so if you like it, please subscribe as I will be uploading tutorials every now and then. So step 1 is to select all your clips and compound it.
One eternity later.
Step 2 is to select the compound clip. Head over to Video and scroll down. You will find Motion Blur. Apply it and set the blur to 0. Now once the motion blur applies, press Windows R. You will get this pop-up. Type app data and click Enter. Once that's done, a File Explorer tab will open up with these folders. Click Local, then click CapCut. Then click User Data. Then click Cache. Then scroll down to find the Motion Blur cache. Open that folder and you'll find the respective file. Drag that onto your editor and delete the compound clip. Here on, you'll be able to export the same edit you made using Pro Effects for free. If you want any other tutorials, please comment down below and I'll make a video on it. Thanks for watching.